fire in the fucking wall. I hope you burn in hell. Scraping on the walls, I'm fucking looking for the breath. Burning in your cell, I'm fucking wishing for the hell. Drowning on the heart for any fucker wanna fight. Put them in the dirt, no fucker on the side. I had them with a scar until they hit the fucking dirt. Sorry. Fuck, right for the face, hollow tip. I never care for no bitch. Grab on my motherfucking clip. Stopping that motherfucking bitch. Right, I never care for no bitch. Fuck, you never care for a fuck.
Holy fuck, dude. Get a quick glance at it tonight. You really can't see it, honestly. Gonna do it in the daylight.
Prescription meds all in my head. I'm so high, I don't know what I said. Misunderstood, that's understood. Just as I want, I do just as I should. All I know is get the cash, get the bag, all that. Got a chopper on my hip, I let it blast, fall back. Fuck a bad bitch to kick her out. What you call that? America Idol, she was trying out. Ain't no call back. Every day I ball till I foul out. Oh yeah, niggas talking stupid, I ain't want they ass in here. Red beam on the glizzy, shoot you down like a reindeer. With them red coats, I feel like I'm Paul Revere. Juice World, it's Juice World. I split the shit in two worlds for your girl. I gave your bitch her own world, that's her world. She still live in Juice World, and Juice World. Catch me if you can. Chopper from a different country, that bitch from Iran. It's funny when I up it.
Dude. Polished. Polished. Not spit. No. DBA rotary. Not DBA, rotary. 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 Came in clutch. Also, thank you, Mike, for sniper gang over here from the boat. I did not even know most of those shots he got, because at first I started with it on the tripod on the ledge, and I got into the job and realized, oh, I've got a lot of work to do, a lot of time to spend. I don't have time to spend the recording, so I'm glad he got those in. Those are a lot. Those were definitely refreshing from the normal standard. I like that a lot. We want more of those. But what we're all here for, my garage painted 99 GC8 coupe. 15 colors of World Rally Blue. I swear, it's fucking 15 shades of blue. But hey, I did it. The job's done. Complain about the orange peel all I want, or the areas that I hit more with base and then others, and because of the space I had, you know. But it's my paint job. It's character, and it's finished. And that's all that matters, right? No, it's not. It's not a participation award. This looks like dog water, but hey, that's just me. A lot of people seem to think it looks nice, but I'm looking at the finer details, and that shit looks like straight Florida's best. For instance, on these here side skirts, you can see the worst of the worst. All the accessories were painted last. I ran out of base coat because I was so focused on getting the base down. So that, and then probably the clear went on like too much in some areas, or I really don't know. But hey, we've gotten to this point, and the car is running. We're on the East Coast with the coupe. Didn't see that in a million years, not gonna lie. Oh, this turned out like straight dog water for sure. I dropped that shit in the process, and I said, you know what, round 2 fight, I gotta get a way to paint that. Here, I gotta get a gun and some materials because there's no way that's gonna fly. There's some that I just need to repaint altogether, but I'm just thinking, wait. I don't know. How's it going, man? Passerbys love it, but I feel like it looks like shit. That's my brain, so maybe I stick with it. Roll with the punches. Oh dear. We've been interrupted. Welcome to the channel, sir. What is your name? Can I get an interview? Yes, no? Something for the camera. I feel that, bro. I feel that, yeah. I see you got G's back. These guys ain't lacking. They traveling in packs, trying to pull up with me. Fucking don't. Always on a swivel. Always on a swivel. Let's get out of here, man. Enough of this paint bashing video. Telling you, they are not lacking. We're on the move. You know, I'm often too hard on myself, and that's because I have far too many mental obstructions, and I hadn't given any credit to myself. Regardless of how that base looks, this thing is handing out neck braces all weekend. I'm gonna set up a chiropractic unit just to make sure that everybody's all right. But man, a couple things I left out. First and foremost, I need to shout out Momo's Garage right now on IG, because without her, honestly, there's no fucking way I would have ever made it through that, ever. I had all the information and details and resources at my needs. If I had questions, I could ask her. It's just I really needed time, and that's obviously my #1 victim killer here. But I just wanted to thank her for all the information that she gave willingly, because oftentimes people in the trade field that like do an art form or a craft don't like to share their trade so easily. So when someone's just like, hey, can you, like, you never know, like, you're feeding yourself with this trade, and if you have competitors, I don't know, people are weird sometimes about that kind of stuff. But she was just open arms, super cool about it, was stoked that someone else wanted to learn from her perspective and see like what she goes through. And man, if you've watched the videos, obviously it's a good time. I'm in my garage, and it sucked, but we got through it. We're here now. Car's painted. She's looking a lot better than she has before, and that's all we're thankful for here on the channel. Looking forward, it springs upon us apparently. It is the 19th of March. Cloudy yet. It's supposed to be a rainy month, I guess. I don't know, a bi month. Who knows? But we got some things planned in the future. I'm stoked about that. Definitely gonna have to do some like rollers and stuff like that. I need some wheels. That'd be cool, but budget says no. Budget says no. Anyways, if you are thinking about painting your car inside your own personal garage, I say go for it. Let me be the fuel to your fire. If you're questioning it before and you're like, you know what, if like, I'm gonna do it, do that fucking shit. Make that shit happen, because otherwise you're just gonna sit on it and the project car is gonna collect a layer of dust this thick, and it's not gonna be ready until 2025, and that's just a stipulation. So let my lessons be a lesson to you. Take time, prep, clean, space, environment, everything plays into it. Materials, you don't have to go $6,000 crazy materials to make it look good. Guns, you don't need crazy guns. I used a Harper, I did use a nice Harbor Freight gun that was $250 or something like that. But like, either way, like everything that I bought, you could buy off the streets too. You just gotta go buy it and then do it. It's a lot of work, and that's all I got, man. I mean, this is my GC8 garage painted car, and I really don't know what else to say. It's like I'm beating a dead horse with a stick and I just poked it. What else? Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment below. Well, we got more in the future coming down the pipeline. Thank you for watching. TKIRKMEDIA signing off. Another one. We got chiropractor coming online shortly. Don't you worry. Don't you stress.
Devil on my shoulder. I don't stress these bitches, only feel it when I'm sober. And I swear I'm never sober. I need way more bands, way more bands. Feeling like the new Batman, the new Batman. Hey, devil on my shoulder. I don't stress these bitches, only feel it when I'm sober. And I swear I'm never sober. I need way more bands, way more bands.